This looks good. Some salad dressing on the salad in the meat. Mm. This actually is really good. I saw a lot of little pretty things while I'm walking. I decided to get lost. I actually got lost. How pretty they display the fruits and vegetables amazed me. Pastry stores in the every corner. Since we left home, we haven't had vegetables and fruits much. Paris is a very pretty and romantic looking city. An interesting instrument. And the patio is waiting for people. Having a dinner alone was kinda enjoyable. This green bean is to die for. And Sean came back without eating anything. We had to rush before kitchen closed.